Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix app purchase are not allowed in iPhone and iPad. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting and scroll down and tap on screen time. Scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction. If the toggle turn off content and privacy restriction, you have turn on and tap on iTunes and App Store purchases and tap on iApp purchases and type on allow, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and tap on again setting and type on Apple ID banner name and scroll down and tap on media and purchases and tap on view account and tap on manage payment and tap on add payment method, and from here update your payment method, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.